Tell me all the things you hide behind your eyes, the heavy secrets and the soft white lies. The world is sleeping and the stars are out. Let's map the places where you feel the doubt. You don't have to be the strong one anymore. Leave your armor right there by the door. I've got a seat right here beside my heart, where you can fall and never fall apart. Every tear is just a map of where you've been. Let the healing and the honesty begin. I'm not looking for a version that is perfect. I'm just looking for the soul beneath the surface. In the midnight blueprint of our lives, we're rewriting all the maybe next times, building bridges out of whispers and of grace. In this tiny sacred moonlit space, whatever breaks, we'll mend it with a thread of gold. A story that will never grow too old. You're safe here, you're home here tonight. Remember when we thought the dark was for the ghosts? Now it's the place where we can feel the most. Without the noise, without the city lights, we finally see the beauty of our heights. I'll hold your hand until the sun begins to rise, reflecting all the courage in your eyes. The morning comes, but we don't have to rush. There's a power in this gentle, holy hush. In the midnight blueprint of our lives, we're rewriting all the maybe next times, building bridges out of whispers and of grace. In this tiny sacred moonlit space, whatever breaks, we'll mend it with a thread of gold. A story that will never grow too old. You're safe here, you're home here tonight. And if the walls start closing in again, just remember I've always been your friend. We'll build a cathedral out of small, kind acts and fill the spaces in the giant cracks. Just a blueprint, drawing lines in the dark. Fire